Hey guys, this is Jerry. Welcome to the channel. Today is a quick video for the HS plug-in hybrid or HS PHEV video. So this is the most common question people ask me after they own the PHEV for some time about this particular EV mode entry information. As always, I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe and like if you are looking for more MG tutorial videos in the future. Alright, so this is how the dashboard looks like, and then on the dashboard on the PHEV you can see this vehicle is in auto mode on the right bottom. That means it's on hybrid mode. It's on standard petrol plus electric motor, your standard hybrid mode. The petrol will engage after certain speed or after certain revs and all that things. If you wish, whenever you like, just press EV. This will go into EV mode. You can see the notification on the dashboard and EV button underneath. That means the vehicle will drive on pure electric. Okay, so this is the definition for EV and auto mode. In some situation, you will press the EV and then it does not allow you to go into EV mode. In this instance, let's say we switch on to high temperature over here, and then you can see the vehicle automatically kicks back to auto mode as well. And then I press EV button, it will show EV mode entry not support. Or let's say we switch off the aircon and we go back to EV again. So now it's attached as EV. I'm gonna switch the aircon on again. You can see the vehicle automatically kicks it out from EV mode to auto mode. It says exit from EV mode. And I will explain this why this happens. Generally speaking, there are three reasons why this will happen. First reason is very simple. You don't have any EV charge anymore. It automatically go back to auto mode. That's pretty standard. And also when you don't have any EV recharge or anything like that, you won't be able to switch the vehicle into EV mode. Again, pretty standard. Second way is while you're driving the vehicle, you're actually boosting the power on this vehicle. Let's say you're revving it up, you're trying to overtake something, or you're getting on motorway speed, all that things. Your percentage power, not really your revs, but it's going up. It's using most of the petrol power to try to drag the vehicle. And then while it's dragging, while you're on auto mode, you tap the EV button. It's not allowing you to go into EV mode at the time being while you are going through that acceleration period. After it settles down, then you can use the EV mode or press it into EV mode again. That's the second scenario why it will not go into the EV mode. The last scenario is the most important one and most common one. That's related to the temperature and the aircon. Let's say right now it's winter in New Zealand. I will need to use the aircon in the morning to either blast the front windscreen or just heat up myself or heat up the interior of the vehicle. I will switch the aircon on and then I will switch it to up and down for high speed. As you notice a little bit, the engine start ticking in. That means the vehicle try to use its heat and also the generator from the petrol motor to generate some heat to power the aircon, air pump, stuff like that, to get the vehicle heated up. And then in this instance, unfortunately, the EV mode will not be able to support enough heat for the cabin, as there's no individual heat pump for that particular electric motor at the back or EV battery at the back. In this instance, the vehicle will not allow you to go into EV mode unless everything is heated up or unless the temperature gets to normal. So this will happen in the early winter morning. If you switch on the vehicle and then you get the heated up and then the vehicle will not go into EV mode, when you press the EV button, it's pretty standard. You don't need to worry about it. There's nothing wrong with the electric motor. It's just the way of this vehicle is in terms of how performance, all that things works. In those instances, after that, you can still go into EV mode after certain times. Let's say you're driving the vehicle, outside temperature is low, inside temperature is 28 degrees, but after 5 or 10 minutes or 20 minutes of driving, your temperature inside the vehicle goes to normal, and then your vehicle is enough to power the heat, all that things. You can still go into EV mode after a certain amount of driving. Or alternatively, if you switch off the aircon completely and then press the EV button again, we can go into the EV mode again. So there you have it. That's why the vehicle will not engage the EV mode on the PHEV HS. Hope this is helpful. Please subscribe and like if you enjoyed the content. Thank you very much. See you next video.